today we're going to learn a song, Every Praise by Hezekiah, and I'm going to be playing in the key of C sharp. Alright, so I'm going to play as slowly as possible, show you the intro and then the progression. Now the progression is a 1 on the key of C sharp, 1, 6, 4, 5. And then the intro to 1, 6, 4, 2, and then you come to your 6 sharp chord. You play a major scale. So let's get on with it. So basically that's the whole song. You can play it. There are 2 sections where you play the second chord in addition before the 6 sharp chord. The one you can read is called Tor. Alright, so the intro. Right. C sharp as the bass and then you start with a 1, then you move to 6, then you move to 4, then you move to 2. This is where the change comes. Then you come back to every praise. Alright, so the chords, then now I'm actually playing this note should be here, so this your C, so I've inverted it and I'm playing this, right? Every praise. So from 1, my passing chord, which is a 7 over 5, 5 over 7. So this is my chord to my 6 chord. Alright, so this is my 5th chord. And then this is my 4th chord. Back to my 5th chord. Okay, so that's the whole song. So So that's it for the U. And when you even modulate to another key, let's say even D, is the same way. Every praise is to our God, every word of worship, one God. Every praise is to our God. It's still the same 1, 6, 4, 5, and then with your 6 sharp chord, which in the key of D will be your C. Alright, so as you modulate, is the same progression, and I believe this chords should be able to help you to play. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a comment. Thank you.